All right, Mirror Lake. Here we go. Uintas.
Okay. Seriously?
Give me whiplash. It's like, oh. Okay, it's a wee bit down there. Mirror Lake Campground, so they have a campground.
A lot of campsites.
Mm-hmm.
This is where we go on the lake, isn't it? Or no?
Yeah.
I think
It
it
says, yeah, welcome to Mirror Lake Fishing Site.
There's a nice little trail around it.
Yeah, last time we were here, we went all the way around the lake. It's a little under 2 miles. Beautiful, fun, gorgeous. Fish jumping in the lake. Here, yeah.
Boat launch.
Mm-hmm.
There's the trail right there.
Lakeshore Trail.
Really nice.
Yeah, super nice walk. That's old Baldy right there. Now Baldy.
You guys might even did better when you get out and about there. Light them on.
So you can see the trail though that you walk on.
Keep the camera running going up the hill. You can see how you get more of the lake.
Mirror Lake Guard Station. Trees are blocking it, but there is a big, beautiful lake there. Mirror Lake is what we call it.
Hence the Mirror Lake Highway. Tell them we do have a video of our walk around the lake.
Yeah, there is a video, guys, of the walkabout all the way around the lake that we did. Totally gorgeous.
All right.
All right, that's Mirror Lake. Uintas in Utah.
On with the show.
I was gonna look at this big dude.
Oh,
This,
it's out your window too.
big old
Go
mountain.
slow and you get a good picture.
Clear.
Mount Baldy.
Mount Baldy right here.
I think it's 13,000.
Yeah, probably about 13,000 feet high. All right, that's as good as it gets. That sun kind of got in the way, guys. Thanks for watching.